Appassionati di motocross e di fuoristrada in generale, eccoci arrivati ad una nuova puntata di Motocross Network, trasmissione che si occupa di due ruote artigliate in tutte le sue sfumature. Oggi vi portiamo in America con un bel filmato trovato su internet che ripercorre la vincente carriera di Ryan Dungey, fresco vincitore per la terza volta del Supercross americano. Bellissime immagini per un bravissimo atleta.
Ago. Here he goes to the inside, and Dungey takes Filippono down. The crowd goes crazy.
Ryan Dungey lights the candles for his first career win, and it comes at Phoenix, Arizona.
Man, I'm pumped. I can't believe it. And all my team, my family, my mom, it's a big moment, a big stepping stone in my career, and I couldn't thank everybody enough who got me here.
And he will take it. His second win of 2016.
If he can get through that rut over and clean up,
Square him up here.
This just in, some earth-shattering news. Ryan Dungey did not make it to staging and has yet to show up. Sources tell us they are trying to get the bike started. That means if he comes to staging, he lines up on the starting line last. I think we're ready, ladies and gentlemen, as the 450cc riders are poised on the starting line.
Oh, dude, I lost it. I can't believe it.
Remember, Dungey started 3/4 of a lap back, at least.
Checkers in Oakland.
They've been side by side over this jump coming up. The last two laps in a row. Here we go again. Dungey grabs the lead.
Dungey's going to make a statement. He goes right for the whole shot. He's the winner as he lights the candles in the heel clicker in Dallas.
Dungey tries to make the pass to Stell, says, no, I'm not going to let you have it. And he's doing it like them. He was a winner here at the legendary Unadilla Valley Sports Center.
When race leader Ryan Dungey went down.
What is this? What is this? So they got to unscrew the gas cap, and here he is, headed into the pits. I've never seen this happen before. Let's send it down to Kelly.
Talk about practicing a pit stop on the fly. You see the mechanics working, quickly got the gas cap off. Ryan Dungey already back on his way. We'll have to see where he comes out.
Checkered flag is out. Tyler Rattray wins the moto, but Ryan Dungey is going to win the overall. Oh, Dungey down to the inside, and Stewart has it covered again. Oh, Dungey to the inside. Dungey's got it.
And to actually accomplish it, it was just like the biggest reward is just to be able to share it with my family.
And he's won it here tonight in Toronto. He did it. He's a winner in 2011. Instead, Dungey takes another victory, but even he would say afterwards, man, I thought Marvin was going to get that one.
Squares up Barsha here, finds some smooth ground, gets the drive, and that was all she wrote.
Pull away from there. Ryan Dungey here in the orange number 5 going to work. He makes the pass here.
Ryan Dungey is building Hall of Fame stats, and we don't know how far they're going to go. 40th straight top 10, and the checkers way for Ryan Dungey.
Ryan Dungey wins at Unadilla and with it claims the Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Championship.
It's such a long journey and an amazing journey at that, and it's just glad to get this championship.
Dungey has executed it perfectly, and he's got his first win of 2015. Oh, and Ryan Dungey with big problems. And look at the rear of the motorcycle just hung down there. Oh, there's a huge pileup.
Massive. There's cartridges down.
Here he is. Ryan Dungey lights the candles in Anaheim with an amazing win. As they once again take the checkered flag.
Watch right here. He's reaching down. Boot or the shifter. Yeah.
I see on the
Oh,
left.
look how far down his neck is against the handlebars.
Checkered flag. Ryan Dungey is a Daytona winner. Do it again here in St. Louis. And Ryan Dungey would celebrate their 7th victory of the 2016 Monster Energy Supercross season. The KTM's got plenty of power as well. Gets his 8th win of 2015 to go along with his 2nd championship. Thrill the crowd in St. Louis as they swap the lead. And Ryan Dungey would pick up his 8th victory of 2016.
And that moto victory clinches the championship for Dungey.
But it's Dungey who clinches back-to-back championships, his 3rd Monster Energy AMA Supercross and FIM World Championship.
Lasciamo Dungey e i suoi trionfi, ma restiamo nell'ambiente Supercross per questo bel video con alcuni piloti SX impegnati in allenamento. Reed, Bogle, Davalos e Sidi a dare manate di gas.
Trouble, no fear, I'm a hot shot stacked up.
and sight. To breathe and lie is part of your design. And there's no changing your mind. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through. Everything's falling apart. What are you trying to prove? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through with you. It's quiet out when you look around. You survey the damage you've done. You're out for blood and I have had enough. And there's no stopping you now. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through. Everything's falling apart. What are you trying to prove? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through with you. I'm living with mistakes from all those years I've lost. I'm trying to work it out like you really care. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do to me? 'Cause I know that you know that I'm through. Everything's falling apart. What are you trying to prove to me? And I know you know that we're through. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through. 'Cause everything's falling apart. What are you trying to prove to me? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through with you. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through. 'Cause everything's falling apart. What are you trying to prove to me? 'Cause I know that you know that we're through with you.
Motocross Network termina qui, per oggi è tutto, ritorniamo la settimana prossima.